Engineered materials can quietly shave thousands of dollars off a home construction budget while still delivering strength, durability, and long-term savings. When we talk about budget-friendly home construction, engineered materials are one of the smartest levers you can pull to control both upfront and lifetime costs. Engineered I-joists, for example, use less solid lumber but deliver very predictable strength and stiffness, which means fewer surprises during framing and fewer squeaky floors later. Oriented strand board can often replace plywood for roof sheathing and wall sheathing in dry or properly protected areas, since it is made from small wood strands bonded with resin for uniform performance at a lower cost. Laminated veneer lumber works extremely well for headers over doors and windows because thin layers of wood are glued together so that the grain is aligned, which creates a very strong and straight member that resists sagging. Composite decking boards made from wood fibers and plastic are usually more expensive up front than basic wood, but they save money over time because they need far less sanding, staining, or replacement. The key is to match each engineered product to its best use, verify that it meets your local building code, and work closely with your designer and contractor so the structure is engineered correctly from the start. A few things commonly go wrong when people try to save money with engineered materials. One issue is using oriented strand board, where it will regularly get wet, like low deck levels near the ground, which can swell and weaken. So keep oriented strand board for protected areas and use more moisture-resistant materials where exposure is likely. Another mistake is swapping in engineered I-joists without adjusting the floor plan or mechanical layout, which can lead to plumbers or electricians cutting holes in the wrong places. So make sure they follow the manufacturer's drilling and notching guide exactly. A third concern is choosing composite decking purely on price and ending up with boards that are too slippery, too hot in the sun, or poorly supported, so always check the manufacturer's spacing requirements, choose a texture that matches your climate, and look at real-world installs if you can. BigHomeProjects.com is our online hub that helps homeowners compare and connect with local contractors who already work with engineered materials and cost-saving construction methods. We also give contractors a place to showcase their projects and expertise, and our discussion community lets all of us trade tips, share real experiences, and ask practical questions about budget-friendly home builds.